Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to pair your Galaxy Watch 5. First, power on your watch and choose your desired language. Next, grab your smartphone and make sure you have the Galaxy Wearable app installed. If not, download it from your app store. Once installed, open the app to kickstart the connection. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup, getting you ready for the next stage of pairing your new device. Now that the app is open, tap on Start New Device to begin the search. Your phone will then scan for available Galaxy Watches in the vicinity. Once your Galaxy Watch 5 appears on the screen, simply tap on its name to select it. This action initiates the connection, preparing both devices for the final confirmation. It's a straightforward process designed for quick and easy pairing. After selecting your watch, a unique passkey will appear on both your Galaxy Watch 5 and your smartphone. It's vital to double-check that these codes match exactly. Once confirmed, tap Confirm on both devices to finalize the pairing. This step establishes a secure Bluetooth connection, ensuring your data is safely transferred. The process usually takes just a few moments, so be patient as they link up. With the devices paired, you'll be prompted to grant various permissions. These are essential for the watch to access features like notifications and health tracking. Next, sign into your Samsung account to seamlessly sync your data and unlock all the smart features. Finally, follow any remaining on-screen instructions to complete the setup. In just a few minutes, your Galaxy Watch 5 will be fully ready to use, enhancing your daily life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.